Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, where the family, where we teach you how to make a good money online without the using the easiest way ever. And today I'm back with a new video, a new update for you guys. But before I go straight to the video, I will want you to do something for me. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to this particular channel, like this particular video, and drop a comment below. And to my old subscribers, you're welcome. Now, without wasting much time, because I don't want this video to be very long, let me go to my Chrome and let me show you this particular site. Here you'll be taking surveys and you earn up to $50 weekly. And something about the survey is that you can actually receive your fund through PayPal. You can receive your fund through PayPal. And as I told you, I'm actually going to teach you how to create a PayPal account, and this is what you do for you to get the video, because I will actually post the video and the video won't last, because the secret I'm about to share with you on how to create account. People are collecting thousands of naira for it, but in the particular video I'm going to be revealing it to you free of charge. So I won't allow the video to stay long. Before I be questioned for, I won't allow the video to stay long. So if you are subscribed to the channel, turn on the notification bell so that as I drop this particular video, you get it and act on it before I bring the video down, before I delete the video. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so once I drop it, you get it immediately. Now, without wasting much of our time, let me go to my Chrome and let me show you this particular site where you can actually make money taking surveys. And I will actually show you how to sign up for this particular site. Now let's go to, please look at the screen so that you can see what I'm typing. www.metroopinion please let's be focused. opinion.com. Sorry, www.metroopinion.com. Yeah, let's go by this way. Now, as you can see, this is metroopinion.com. As you can see, this is paid survey. Earn money online, work from home, get up to $5 for each survey. Save an easy payment. You get up to $5 for each of your surveys. And how to earn with paid survey in 3 steps. All you have to do is, everyone can join. You sign up for it. It's easy to sign up, and it only take 30 seconds. Can you imagine? It only takes 30 seconds to sign up for this particular site, and you will be invited to survey via email. So it's very easy. You are not going to miss a single survey here. You are not going to miss a single survey here. And when you reach the payment threshold, you get paid with one click to your PayPal account. As you can see, they can pay payment for services is either through PayPal or through voucher or through donations. So those are ways you can actually. Now let's sign up. As they said, the sign up is just 30 seconds. Now, if you are from Africa, let's go to Nigeria. If you have any other country, you can select your country. This is Europe, this is Africa, this is Oceania, this is Asia, this is North America, South America. So I am from Nigeria, that is Africa. Now I have to go to Africa country and select Nigeria. Let's allow it to load. Now, as you can see, the registration is very easy to do. Now, this is your email. Let me put my email, then I put my password. Then you select your gender, you select your, as you can see this postal code from, I'm from River State, Port Harcourt, so this is the postal code for Port Harcourt. Now let me show you how to get your postal code. This is all you have to do. This is what you just have to do to get the postal code. Just type postal code for your particular city. For example, postal code for Lagos. As you can see, this is postal code for Lagos here. So you can use any of this postal code for Lagos. So that is how you get postal code, because some people will be like, what is postal code? How am I going to get it? That is how you what? That is how you get it. Very easy to sign up. You sign up after you do everything. As you can see, each survey is up to $5, and in a week you get more than 10 surveys. That is more than $50, and you can get your money into your paper. As I told you, you can get your money. It's not something that is hidden. You can get your money into your paper, with one click. So that's the update for today. If you find it very useful, please consider liking this video and drop a comment section below. In case you have any questions, drop it at the comment section below so I can attend to your question. So that is all for now. Watch out for my next video. It's going to be very epic. Stay tuned. Invite your friend to subscribe to this channel. Share this video with them so that they too can benefit, and together we can create a very worthy family together. Thanks. I mean your loyal boy.